Hey y'all, it's Jason with All-Star Welding, back with another exciting video. So I told you in my last video that I had a package coming today. Well, here it is. And if you watched one of my other shorts about the Carhartt shirt, this is the replacement for them. Let's get this open and take a look. So Carhartt had these really nice shirts. This is one of them. You can see it's seen better days. But these are the heavyweight welder's shirts with the pearl snaps, pearl cuffs. Really thick cotton heavyweight. And they quit making them. They discontinued them. And somebody told me that it was because they didn't want to make the pearl snaps anymore. I don't know if that is true or not, but you know, whatever. But I have been searching for a replacement shirt for these. This is from Key Apperal, K-E-Y Apparel.com, and I'm not sponsored by them. I'm not getting paid for this. They don't even know I'm making these videos. I'm doing this for you so that you can have some decent shirts. And wow, look at this. They're a little bit darker than the Carhartts, but I'm sure that'll fade over time. But here you go. You can see there it's got the pearl snaps, heavyweight. I'm going to pull one of these out. I'm going to be real careful because my hands are dirty. But I want to pull one of these out and check it out. Oh my goodness. This is nice. This is a size extra large. In these shirts, they don't go, in the SU009 Carhartt shirts, they don't go by large, extra large, whatever, medium. They go by the neck size and the arm length. So these are a 19 neck, 36 arm. I am 5'11", weigh about 215, with what I call a muscular dad bod, if that helps you any. And I ordered the extra large. But wow, look at this. That is beautiful. This is really heavyweight, the same as these shirts. It's nice and stiff, and you can see it's the Western style. The pockets on the Carhartts, you know, dips down to a further point than these do, but other than that, they are identical. I don't want to lay this down or get my hands dirty. It does have the little hole here for your pencil, but these are super nice. So before I get it dirty, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take all three of these. Oh, by the way, so I ordered these on their website. They were listed as $39.95. When I put them in my cart, they were reduced to $31.95, and I think it was free shipping, over $75. And when you first go on their website, a little thing's going to pop up on your screen asking if you want to join their mailing list or whatever. Do that, because you're going to get a special code when you go to check out. You'll get a code, and I believe it was welcome 5, but you get 5% off. And when it was all said and done, I'm into these three shirts for well less than $100. But before I do anything, before I get my dirty hands on them or lay them down on something that's get them dirty, I'm going to take all three of these down to the dry cleaner, and make sure you specify that you want welder starch, and it's going to be stiff, but that'll kind of break in after you wear it for a little bit. But the welder starch really is a special kind of starch that they use. It's really heavy, and it's good for the FR shirts, the flame resistant shirts. But if you get them starched, when the sparks hit it, it tends to just bounce right off, and it keeps the dirt off, and when you do get it dirty, it washes out really easy. Or you can just take them to the dry cleaner and they'll take care of it, and they'll look brand new for a long time. These, of course, they're a couple of years old, and when I started getting burn holes, you know, in the side from the angle grinder, I just stopped, you know, getting them starched. I just went ahead and just, you know, launder them, you know, with my regular shirts. But they're still, you know, holding up. I've got 3 of these, but 2 of them got burn holes in them, and they looking pretty ratty. So I am very pleased with these shirts. Again, that's keyapparel.com. They call this the Welder's Western long sleeve, and they're only available in the khaki. But it's a good replacement for the old trusty SU009 Carhartt shirts that you can't find anymore. But anyway, again, I'm not getting paid by Key Apparel, but go to keyapparel.com, check out their other clothes. They've got a lot of really nice stuff. And again, I'm not getting paid by them or sponsored by them or anything like that. I just, you know, wanted to get these, make the video to help you guys out so that you can have some good, long-lasting shirts to wear. But thanks for watching. Hey, make sure you subscribe, because I've got some other videos coming. I'm going to be reviewing a 13-piece Vevor annular cutter set. I'm going to make another video about the titanium 125. I'm going to make some videos about my prime weld machines, and I'm going to make another several videos about the Vulcan Outlaw 195 welder generator that I have. But make sure you like them. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you're notified when I make another video. Hey, thanks for watching.